Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Canva Bulk Create, how to create 50 reels with Canva and ChatGPT. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. In this tutorial, we will show you how to easily create a year's worth of Instagram Reels using just Canva and ChatGPT. And by the end of this video, you'll have 52 animated Instagram Reels ready to post quickly. So let's dive into it. So the first thing that we'll need to do in here is we'll introduce first the two tools that we're going to use, which is Canva in here and ChatGPT. So starting with Canva, if you're not familiar with this tool, this is actually a user-friendly online graphic design tool that allows people to create a wide range of visual content, from social media graphics and presentations to posters and flyers without needing advanced design skills. So it provides an extensive library of templates, images, and elements, making it easy for anyone to produce professional-looking designs for personal or business use. So these offers both free and paid features, making it accessible to individuals, small businesses, and large organizations looking to design eye-catching visual. So as you can see in here, here are some things that or the features that Canva offers. So they have free templates, drag and drop editor, edit your section files, professional styles, print your design, stunning charts, share in a click, and many more. So you could go ahead and try to see also the plans and pricing that they have. So we're currently using the free. So this is for anyone to design anything on their own or with family, friends, or others, no experience required. And the Canva Pro, which is for individuals, solopreneurs, freelance designers who wants unlimited access to premium content to create professional designs with ease and scale their productivity. So you could go ahead and try to see the features that they have in here so that you could compare it and start the plan that you want to use. Now going to the other tool that we have in here, which is ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with this is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. So it is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So users can interact with ChatGPT by asking questions, seeking information, or even having conversations with it. So it is used for a wide range of application, from answering queries and providing information to generating content and assisting with tasks like writing, coding, or problem solving. So this is a powerful tool for businesses, developers, and individuals seeking AI-driven text generation and understanding. So here you could see the related research that they have also onto their website. And for you to be able to get started using this, we're just gonna go ahead and click on the Try ChatGPT in here to add in your email and password so that you'll get redirected onto their page in here. So there are actually two ChatGPTs already. As of the moment right now, we're using GPT 3.5, which is the fastest model, great for most everyday tasks. So this is available to free and plus users, and they also have the GPT-4 already, which is the most capable model, great for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. So this is available exclusively to plus users. So for us to be able to get started already onto this tutorial, we're going to use ChatGPT in here to generate the written content that we'll use in our Instagram Reels. So we're going to start by creating a new chat in here. So we're going to send a message here onto the bottom part. We're going to type in here, write 52 codes on mental health and mindfulness. So we're going to type in like that, and make sure to include a CTA to engage your audience and an extra column with relevant hashtags. So for us to be able also to get what you really want to see onto your generation in here, you'll really need to make sure to be specific onto the prompts that you're gonna add in here or the message. So you could also edit in here the different topics that you want to see onto your videos. But onto my end in here, I'll just gonna type this one out, and we're gonna go ahead and click this green button to send this. Now ChatGPT may not generate all the codes in one go, so you might need to prompt it to continue until you have all 52 codes. Always double check the content it generates to ensure it aligns with your goals, and you can edit or tweak the generated content before using it onto Canva. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. Now, as per what we've mentioned earlier, you'll just have to click on to continue generating in here so that ChatGPT will finish all of the 52 codes. So you'll just have to wait for this. And the next thing that you'll need to do once you have this one settled out is to head on to the second tool that we're going to use, which is Canva. So you can just simply click on to start designing in here to create an account onto Canva if you don't have. So you'll just have to type in your email and password so that you'll get redirected here onto Canvas dashboard. Now, for you to be able to get started, you can choose a template from Canvas library or create your own design. So if you want to start from scratch, you could see a create a design button in here, or you could just go ahead and try to utilize a search bar in here to search for the things that you want to do or the templates in here. So for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and try to search for templates in here that we could use onto our creation. So we're just going to go ahead and type in here Instagram and then Reels. So we're just going to go ahead and try to make use onto the templates in here so that it would be easier for us. As you can see, we could see the Instagram Reels video here onto the upper part. We could just go ahead and click onto that so that we could browse the different templates in here or the high quality Instagram Reels video templates for our next design. As you can see, there are a lot in here. And since we're using the mental health or mindfulness theme or codes in here, so we'll try to search for a template that will fit that one. So as you can see, I think this one and this one is actually one of the things that are kind of fit onto our theme. So first, if you have chosen already, you'll actually have the option in here to click onto the start button to favorite this or these three dots so that you could customize this template, preview this template, or report this. Or you could just simply click onto this one as well so that you could see more details regarding it. So this is the preview. You should be able to see also in here the ratio of it and the creator of it. And we're just gonna go ahead and click onto customize this template to edit this one further. So as you can see, it will redirect us onto the editing page. And also just a quick note that if you choose a template, you'll have limited flexibility on customizing your Reels colors. So we do recommend creating your unique design, and you could go ahead and try to utilize the different features that you can see in here, such as the design, elements, text, a brand, uploads, draw, or apps, so that you could customize further the templates that you have chosen. So right after that, so you'll just need to go ahead and try to customize this first to make sure that it would really fit onto what you want to see onto your photo. And then right after, since this is just a template, you could go ahead and click onto this one to change the text. So you could go ahead and head here onto the generation of ChatGPT in here so that you could go ahead and try to get the code in here. So you could see this one as well. You could add this hashtags or codes here onto this. So let's just try to copy the first one out in here. And then right after, we're going to go ahead and paste it. As you can see, we could have it like that. And for us to be able to also add in the CTA, you could just utilize the text box in here, add in a subheading or anything that you want to see. And then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to copy this one. So let's copy that one and we're gonna go ahead and try to paste it here onto the subheading. So you'll have also actually the option in here to change also the font or font color here. You could also go ahead and try to add in or adjust the font size or the different fonts in here to make it really creative. So this is actually as per your own liking. So you could go ahead and try to make use or try to be fun onto getting the things that you want to see onto your video so that it would really depict what you want to see onto your Instagram Reels. Now you could go ahead also and try to click onto this one to go ahead and try to change the background. So you could just make use onto the video section in here. You could search for some videos that you want to use. So you, for example, you want to use this, you could just drag and drop it here onto the background. To change this, you could also go ahead and resize that one out as per your liking. So that is how easy you could go ahead and try to update the design that you have using the template. Now right after, once that one is already good, what you'll need to do in here is you could go ahead and try to copy out and paste the different codes or CTAs that you have here onto your account. So you could just go ahead and try to repeat the same process. You could also update the background in here so that it would be easier for you. You could also just create a new page in here wherein, or you could just simply duplicate this and try to change in the text and also the background so that it would be easier for you until you reach the 52, and then just repeat the process of copying and pasting the code and CTA in here. But there is actually a simpler form as well that you could try to do. So here onto the left side, you should be able to see this bulk create. So after creating your design, you could use this Canvas bulk create feature so that you could go ahead and try to convert it further. So you could create hundreds of design from a single template free for 30 days. So you need to be at a Canva Pro in here to use this feature. But we could just learn more regarding this so that if you're using Canva Pro, it would be really easier for you. So it will save you time creating multiple versions of the same design with bulk create. So this this is ideal when you're designing business cards, invitation certificates, or just like what we're doing, Instagram Reels. So the first thing is you need to do to use this feature is just access the bulk create tab, what we did earlier, and then you'll just need to import data for the bulk create. So this is the data that you will import, the CTA and code, so that you could go ahead and try to upload this data onto Canva. Right after, once you have gone ahead and entered the data directly or using the CSV, you could connect the images as well. And then once you're also done, you could just simply click onto a generate button so that the pages created in bulk will open on a new tab. So you'll just have to check if the pages are generated correctly, adjust the elements as needed. Now, once you've gone ahead and already used that feature and already created the 52 design, so you could see that one in here, you'll have the option to download it. So just simply click onto the share button here onto the upper part. You could see the download in here. And then right after, you could just go ahead and try to click onto a file format in here. You could choose also the quality for that. And here onto the select pages, you could go ahead and try to choose the pages that you want to download, or you could just simply download all the pages and click onto download pages as separate files so that you should be able to see your videos on separate files as well. So this process will give you the flexibility to customize your content for posting throughout the year. And that's just basically it onto creating 50 reels with Canva and ChatGPT. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.